So I have just made a big batch of seed patties. Now what is really good about these patties, they're sort of like a veggie burger. They're so versatile that I thought it'd be a really good thing to show you guys how to make. So the basic ingredients are seeds and carrots, or you can substitute the carrots for sweet potatoes. They're incredibly easy to make. You can freeze them, so you can make a big batch of them and then you can just take them out whenever you need them. So that's ideal if you live on your own or if you want to make a big batch of things for a group. They make an excellent dinner food with a nice sauce or salad or rice or potatoes. They also make a gorgeous picnic food as well, or a lunchbox. So they serve really nicely hot. They taste incredibly delicious cold as well. So it's kind of one of them incredibly versatile win-win recipes. They're completely plant-based, gluten-free. They're incredibly healthy, full of essential fats and all kinds of minerals, vitamins, antioxidants and nutrients. And you kind of won't really believe how easy they are to make. So first of all, I need some sort of food processor or nut mill, any kind of blender, Magic Bullet, NutriBullet, Vitamix, inexpensive blender or food processor will work. So you want to take 200 grams of sunflower seeds and grind them down to a rustic meal. So you want it to be a bit floury. It's all right if you have a few chunks in there. And then you want to do the same with 100 grams of pumpkin seeds. Now bear in mind, you can use any kind of seed like this, so you can substitute for hemp seeds if you have them. You can use all sunflower seeds, you can use all pumpkin seeds, whatever you've got available or whatever you feel a pull to. And then you want to boil up about 300 grams, that's about 2 large carrots. You want to boil them up, strain them, and then mash them thoroughly or blend them up in the food processor or with a hand blender. It's all right again if you get a few rustic bits in there. If you want it really smooth, just make sure that you blend that down to a puree though. We want to get a large clove of garlic, and we want to either crush it with a garlic crusher or smash it down with a knife and chop it nice and finely. A nice small handful of dried parsley. If you've got fresh parsley or you want to use fresh rosemary, just use those instead and make sure you chop that down really finely. Add a teaspoon of salt, and then we want to mix everything in together with a spoon until everything is combined evenly. So what we want to do is grab a nice golf ball size mixture, or you can do a little larger, you can do a little smaller if you want. It's all the same. And then you want to make it into patty or nice little burger shapes, about 1 centimetre or 1.5 centimetres thick. If you want to freeze some, just get a container and then make sure you use parchment paper just to line the bottom, and then to separate the different layers of patties so that they don't stick together when they freeze, and then you can just take out the amount you want and then pop that in the freezer. Any that you do want, just pop onto a baking tray, either lined with parchment paper or lightly oiled. If it's cast iron, you don't really need to do anything with it and they'll just be fine. Okay, so let's see what we've got here. So you've got a gorgeous patty, and remember it serves really nice hot or cold. So let's see what it tastes like. Yeah, that's really good. So I hope this inspires you to make something delicious in your kitchen. If you like what you see here, please do come and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Come visit me on kindearth.net for loads more delicious recipes just like this. And I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now.